What's good, everybody? Spektrades here. In this video, we're going over exactly how I print money from my phone daily in 1 to 2 hours. First and foremost, my name is Wendell, but I go by the alias Spektrades. I am a full-time day trader and have been in the financial markets for half a decade. I specialize in ICT smart money concepts. My goal is to simplify smart money concepts and help you shorten your path to success. If you want to stay up to date with me, make sure to check out my Instagram at Spektrades. I have been a mentor to over 1,000+ students, and if you want to join me for daily trading plus private lessons, you can just click the link in my bio, find all the links. My Instagram, I post reels and I just post daily markups to keep you updated and always keep you refreshed. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Before we go on the live charts, first we'll go over our strategy. So the time that we use this strategy is from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. the New York session time. This is our ICT silver bullet model, and from 1 p.m. to our 3 p.m. this is our afternoon model. So our time frame that we use for this right here will start on the 1 hour. The 1 hour will be our higher time frames where we are looking for key levels for price to pull into, where we'll be starting our top down analysis, and then we'll scale down to the 30 minutes / the 15 minutes to see more price action, and then we'll scale down to the 5 or the 1 minute to scale in and enter our sniper entry. So as you can see here, we're looking for price to come into a higher time frame key level. That's number one. And then inside of the higher time frame key level, we're looking for a liquidity sweep in price to purge lower and give us a market structure shift. And then in this zone right here, we're looking for price to come back in and tap into a fair value gap or a order block that might be inside of this range right here. So we're looking for price to come back up, clear internal range liquidity, tap into a order block or a fair value gap that might be inside of this range to attack our old lows right here. And it's the same exact thing for a buy format. We're looking for price to attack this higher time frame key level, and then inside of that higher time frame key level, we're looking for price to give us a liquidity sweep in a market structure shift right here. And then we're looking for price to come back, fill in a fair value gap or a order block to push price higher to clear our old highs right here. And the time that we are on the charts is from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And now let's hop on the charts and execute this exact strategy. Now we're on the charts. I'll be going over exactly how me and the team caught this GBP/USD trade and this NAS 100 trade during the live trading on the Patreon from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now that we're on the 30-minute time frames, as you can see here, price came and cleared these old lows right here, give us a liquidity sweep of these old lows, and then give us a breakup structure. And then right here, give us a major breakup structure by clearing these old highs right here. And then as you can see, we had this 30-minute breaker block right here, boom, and there was a 30-minute fair value gap, and we had equal lows right above this zone right. This right here was a highly probable zone right here. Now we're on the 5 minutes time frames, and as you can see, as soon as price tapped into our point of interest, price rallied up and then give us another liquidity sweep and a breakup structure of these old highs right here. And now we're on the 1 minute time frames, and as you can see, price came back down to fill in this fair value gap right here on the 1 minute time frames. But as you can see, price did not go and clear this old high right here to give us a liquidity sweep or a breakup structure. So this right here was a weak low for me perfectly. And then as you can see, price purged through it and give us a breakup structure of this old high right here. In our market execution, I entered my trade. I called it out during the live trading and I entered, and then where I was attacking these old highs right here for a good 122. Now let's go over the NAS 100 trade. And right here is the NAS 100 trade that I took on the live trading also. And now on the 15-minute time frames, as you can see, price that came and cleared liquidity from these old highs right here. And then during news on 9:30, price came and purged through these old lows right here, but failed to take out these old lows right here. And then we seen that price came and purged right through it. And then we're gonna scale down to the 5 minute. And now on the 5 minutes, we can see not too much clearer price action. And now let's scale down to the 3 minutes. And now on the 3 minutes, we're looking for the exact pattern that we usually look for. We're looking for a liquidity sweep and a breakup structure that is in line with a higher time frame key level. And now on the 3 minutes, as you can see, we see a 3-minute fair value gap perfectly. And here I was just expecting for price to come back in here to give me a reaction, and as you can see, price came back in here, give me the reaction and pull back, but failed to break any of these old highs right here. Failed to break this high or this old swing high right here perfectly. It failed to break any of these highs. As you can see, price did not push price higher, but it was just using to the lower time frame to mitigate a point of interest, and then to come and clear these old lows right here. Perfect. And then my stop loss was right at this low right here to be safe, and targeting these old highs right here, 48122. So as you can see, this is how I'm able to print thousands from my phone every single day on the financial markets. If you guys want to join me daily every morning for the live trading, make sure to check out the first link in the description for the Patreon, where we have the Mastery Hub right here, where it's $30 a month, where you get access to the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, the 3 minutes, and the 1 minute strategy, and the techniques to master SMC and the Market Maker X models, and access to private mentorship lessons in all the trading models, plus the beginner to advanced mastery lessons, and access to live trading on NAS100, GBP/USD, and gold, and access to weekly Q&A Zoom calls, and access to daily pre-market and post-market analysis, and access to psychology and risk management lessons, and also exclusive community access. Make sure to check out the first link in the description for the Patreon, which has the Spektrades Mastery Hub right here, where you can join us every single day to live trade, also, right, where you can join the team. And also right here, we do have the lower version for the Mastery Hub, and it's just the scalping mastery, where I give you guys full access to the 5, the 3 minutes, and the 1 minute scalping models course, and access to the full pre-market analysis, and access to the full post-market analysis, and access to trade breakdowns from models in a private community for all members. So make sure to check out the first link in the description to join the page. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you think. This is it. Spektrades out.